Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share the roadmap to entering and succeeding in the dropshipping game. Whether you're working a full-time job and looking for a side hustle, starting with $0, or ready to go all in, I'll help you find the best method to start. This video will provide a solid foundation for starting and succeeding in the dropshipping business. These courses typically cost a pretty penny, but I offer this education for free. All I ask is that you like this video and subscribe to my channel to support the creation of more free content. So why dropshipping? It's perfect for beginners because it requires no long-term commitments, shipping, or inventory. You can start with little to no money from anywhere in the world and potentially achieve time freedom. With the right strategies, you can even turn this into a long-term brand. For the true beginners, let's break down the dropshipping model. As a dropshipper, you're the middleman between a supplier and a buyer. You find a product at a wholesale price from a supplier, list it on your website at a higher price, and when a customer purchases, the supplier ships the product directly to them, leaving you with the profit. There are two cost-effective methods to approach dropshipping. The $0 dropshipping method. This method involves setting up your store with a free website host like Big Cartel. You find products on AliExpress and manually handle fulfillment when a customer orders. It's a good starting point if you have no money, but it requires more work and may involve dealing with slower shipments and lower quality. Step 1 is setting up an online store to host your products. Shopify is the perfect place to start for just $1 a month to start. Next, step 2 involves picking a winning niche and finding a product to sell. Picking a niche helps you grow your business over the long term, rather than chasing trends or relying on a single product. A niche allows you to add multiple related products to your store, making your business look more professional. To find a winning product, consider these questions. Do you have basic knowledge about the product to market it? Does the product have a wow factor? What problem does it solve? How can it improve someone's life? I'll provide examples to help you determine which products are worth selling. For instance, a spoon tray costing $19 from the supplier might not be ideal because it lacks uniqueness and a wow factor. Similarly, a basic coffee cup for $5 may not stand out enough to be marketable. However, a fitness tracker could be more promising since it is a popular selling item. Upon searching on Google, I discovered a store selling this product for $98, offering excellent profit margins. However, profit isn't the only consideration. The product's wow factor and utility are crucial. For instance, if your audience is into fitness, you can buy the fitness tracker for the standard price, take professional videos and photos, and then create engaging content for your online store. This product ticks all the boxes. It's simple to understand, has a wow factor, solves a problem, and can improve a person's life. Selling just 30 of these daily could bring in almost $3,000. Next, consider a facial roller from the supplier for $10 to $12, but often sold for $30 to $45. This product has a wow factor and is in the beauty niche, allowing for additional related products in the future. It's a thumbs up as a winning product. Another example are smart bulbs. They have a wow factor, available for $3 to $6, but could sell for $15 to $18. To source winning products, you can use platforms like AliExpress or an all-in-one tool like AutoDS, which helps find products and automate the dropshipping process. Start by setting up a Shopify store using the provided link in the description. After creating your account and connecting it to Shopify, you're ready to find your winning products. AutoDS serves as both a fulfillment center and a product research app, making it a comprehensive tool for dropshipping. It offers 3 main product research sections: handpicked products, trending products, and TikTok Spy. The handpicked products section features a wide range of categories and allows you to narrow your search by country, price range, and category. There's also a fast shipping option, showing products with quick delivery times, sometimes as fast as 2 days. AutoDS updates this list daily and even allows you to manually import products found elsewhere for faster shipping. When you select a product, AutoDS provides extensive data, including pricing suggestions, profit margins, target audience, and competitors currently selling the item. You can also view competitors' websites and their advertisements, which is a powerful feature for gathering marketing ideas. The TikTok Spy tool lets you see popular TikTok ads and content, offering insights into trending products and potential inspiration for your store. Choosing a niche is crucial, and it's best to select one you're knowledgeable about. This familiarity helps you market products more effectively. For example, if you have pets or an interest in beauty products, these niches might be more suitable for you. The key is to pick a niche with high profit margins and products you understand. Step 3 in your dropshipping journey is automation. AutoDS automates the entire process from order placement to delivery. Once a sale is made, the supplier ships the product directly to the buyer without additional effort on your part. To succeed in dropshipping, it's crucial to brand your online store, setting it up for long-term success. This process, known as branded dropshipping, involves creating a unique brand identity. Start by designing a logo, which can be easily done using tools like Canva or free logo makers like Zarla. AutoDS supports custom branding, allowing you to upload your logo to appear on all your packages. This feature helps make your store feel more professional and personalized, as customers will see your branding rather than just the suppliers. If you select a product and don't see a branding option, you can contact the supplier directly through AutoDS to request customization. If you're setting up your online store with Shopify, check out my YouTube video tutorial on that. For step 5 in your dropshipping journey, marketing is critical. This is where success or failure often hinges, and it's essential to maintain a resilient mindset. One highly effective approach is organic marketing, which involves using social media platforms to build a community around your business without spending on ads. This method can be particularly beneficial for beginners, as it avoids the high costs associated with paid advertising and the content you create has lasting value. Start by setting up accounts on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. While starting a YouTube channel can also be beneficial, it's not necessary unless you're committed to producing extensive content. Creating content is a skill worth developing. You can showcase your products through short-form videos, which can be posted across different platforms to maximize reach. This strategy helps build an audience and promote your products without incurring additional costs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have more questions or need deeper insights, leave a comment. Check out additional resources in the description below. Thanks for watching.